Say dancing. Say dancing. All right, folks. Time to get busy. Time to get busy. It's Rafi West. Just want to talk to you folks. Got my new Century Bob here. It's pretty good. Century Bob. You know, it's important to try and keep in shape. And I got this Century Bob. I've been wanting something different for a while because lately I've been thinking about a lot about integrating stuff into your life. And as far as health is concerned, because that's what I'm going to talk about here now. Excuse me, I'm breathing heavy from Century Bob, but you got to get something that you like in order to continue to work out. So I got this Century Bob. Um, Now, I never trained as a fighter or anything like that. I did a little, I have no desire to compete and things like that. I just do it for the workout um, benefits. And so I got this Century Bob. He's pretty cool. You can adjust him up or down, higher or lower. It's just twist and lift. And it really gets you into it. I mean, you work up a sweat, immediately. And what I was saying was it's important to integrate health into your life. Have somewhat of a home gym, something. A few dumbbells. I mean, back there, you see, I have a yoga mat. I have some weights. I just bought the hand wraps, and it's just good to integrate your life, health into your life at home and even at work. At work, sometimes I'll be at work and I'll go out into the hallway and do push-ups. We have like a corridor where no one is really there, so I'll do push-ups. You can do squats, and who cares if someone sees you every now and then? It's called integration. I've been studying a lot about, like, for example, how the Amish used to live and how there's been studies that they're like some of the most happiest people. And one of the reasons, or the main reason, is they integrate everything in our life, in their lives. And we in modern society, we make a mistake of compartmentalizing our life. Everything's separate, everybody lives far, far away from each other, things like that. But need to integrate things more. You can bring health into the home, health to work, work into the home if you can. Do some work from home. I consider this YouTube stuff work sometimes. You know, so yeah, integration. It helps with happiness. I've been studying a lot about that. Happiness is a study as well. You can't leave it to chance, and you can't. You have to, learn how to think um, and study happiness. Study people that are happy, and most of the people that are happy, they integrate things in their life. That's why people have a home gym, work from home. All that stuff helps. It integrates things. It brings things together instead of, excuse me, separating, compartmentalizing things. So I got this Century Bob. It was pretty good. I'll see if I could leave a link down there. Um, this may not be your thing for working out, but it mixes it up a little bit. You got to find what is your thing so you continue to work out. My main thing is like body weight stuff at home with no weights. Almost like that prison style, old school. Like I said, people 500 years ago, the cavemen, people like that, farmers, they use their own body, their own hands to become healthy and strong. Now in the modern world, you know, go 45 minutes to the gym, you got to drive, look for a parking spot, come back. So we end up not doing it or compartmentalizing it even further. So if you want to try out the Century Bob, I still got to fill him up a little more to give him a little more stability, but he's got some good give, and you could, you know, it's pretty all right, you know. He's got a little too much move in it, but I'm gonna fill him up some more. But he's good, He's good to practice things like self-defense and stuff. You know, it's pretty good. Gets you into getting used to striking and getting used to using speed. Things that if you go weeks and months without, if the time comes, God forbid you ever have to use it, you don't know what it's like. So it's good to practice. And of course, get a mentor for everything. If I wanted to get deeper into self defense, this is only the beginning. I would look for a mentor, a coach, join a gym. There's only so much that could be done by reading books, physical things. You got to get physical with somebody who can train you, who can help you, who can guide you. So try to integrate health more into your life, into work and into home. Don't compartmentalize it and think it's only for the outside, because sometimes we don't get to all that. So I'm going to leave a link to the Century Bob. They also have an XL version, which is like more of a torso, and I guess that's good for like kicks and stuff. But this guy's good. It's going to be my new friend for a while, and just, it feels kind of good, So let me know what you guys think as far as health. Integrate your health, and I will talk with you guys another time. All right? Just wanted to give my little tidbits about integrating your health, and hope everybody's well, and I will talk with you guys another time. All right? Rafi West saying peace.